Hello bro.
Halo,
Hello, niaje bro?
fiti.
Uliingia Kisii? Ushaingia Kisii?
Ati,
Ha?
tunaje hapo?
Sikusikii fiti. Dada, shughuli inaendeleaje huko?
Huku hivi ndio bado ni chafu na tunaendelea kuona vipi.
Kuna msee amebambwa ama form?
Eh?
Kuna msee amebambwa?
Ah,
Yeah. Ni jamaa juu nimeingia online nikacheki.
jamaa.
MTZ hivi.
Ah,
Wanasemaje huko?
bado ndio tunategea tusikie ni gani.
Sawa man.
Eh,
Sawa, wenda kushtua tu tena masaa.
tuta link.
Yeah. That was me on the phone with Alice Rianga's brother. He's called Sam. Man, this guy is from TZ. He's in police custody. DC have done their thing and all of it. So now he's in police custody. Investigations are ongoing and all of it. So yesterday I dropped a video about this Salvo guy, man. I was not wrong. This guy is living a very flashy lifestyle. He's from Tanzania. You guys know Tanzania. I never used to believe witchcraft really existed. I used to look at the movies, Shumilators and all of it, and took it as a joke as a kid and all of it, but this thing is real out here, man, and let's see where this turn takes us, and I hope Alice will get justice for this one. How many mothers, how many parents will be getting calls that their kids have been murdered and their bodies have been found somewhere and all of it? There's justice for Alice, and let's see this through together and all of it until she gets justice that she deserves.
This lady here is called Alice Rianga from Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology. She was pursuing Bachelor of Science, Maths, Chemistry. A very bright student. Now, this student disappeared last Thursday. The phone went off. People never knew where she was. And now her body was found in a forest near a place called Barkoweno, Siaya County, Bondo there. And there is a rich guy who's been dealing with gold, buying and selling of gold, who has been arrested in connection to this. What does that tell you? Ladies with soft life. Obviously, someone who is selling gold and buying gold has money. So they've been in a relationship, which of course will come out later. But that is what is being hinted. Now, ladies, we've been talking to you. Sasa tukiwaambia hii maneno ya soft life muachane nayo, mtafute pesa yenu, mnatuambia kwani ni nyinyi ndio mtakufa. Si ni sisi ndio tutakufa. Naona wengi wenu mnaandika kwa comment sections huko Facebook ati msichana kukufa utakufa tu hata kama ni nini, look for money, tafuta wababa wakupatie pesa. Ladies, I want to remind you, when you are looking for those men to give you money, please try to invest. Acha pesa zingine za mazishi. Tukikuja tutumie hizo pesa tukuzike. Sawa? Mmeamua mwezi tafuta pesa, uko shule unalipiwa fee, bado unataka kupatiwe pesa huku na huku. Really, your mother is struggling, your father is struggling. But what is happening? This one, soft life. Please, hii shortcut hii. Na tunakuwa tukicomplain all the time. Ladies, can't you live within your cycle? If you can't afford something, si uachane nayo kwanza, utafute pesa, fanya kazi, ndio ununue. So this one is gone, a very bright student who was going to be a very good teacher. Now she's dead because of soft life, shortcut. We don't know why this, obviously huyu jamaa mwenye wanasema alimuua, there has to be the truth. But surely, ladies, soft life inawamaliza. Soft life inawamaliza. Mtafute pezani, na kama uko shule, soma kwanza. Mtu ako sekendia, a very young student is just gone. Very sad.
And we are sad today, filled with sorrow as we join the Congress fraternity to address the tragic demise of our sister, Alice Rianga, who was a second-year student at the time of demise. We are a bit disturbed and we are highly concerned with the death of our sister, because we strongly believe that a university is a safe place for all comrades, but that is the contrary as per today. We are sending a message to all the investigative agencies that they expedite the process of this investigation so that the truth can be known to everyone. We want all the criminals who are connected to this particular matter to be brought to book. And we believe that regardless of who you are, regardless of your gender, regardless of where you come from, you do not deserve to be killed in such unclear circumstances. Nobody deserves that as a comrade. And therefore, we are also calling upon the local community that is here surrounding the university that we want you to comply and help us get any relevant information that will help us get the truth about the demise of our sister. We also call for peace, especially during this difficult moment. And finally, I join the comrades fraternity to condole with you and to mourn together as we plan to give our sister a peaceful send-off. Comrades, power! Power! Asante sana. Kidoluo. Sawa sawa. Nyinga Joel Odedi. Ane ker marafagario mar Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University. To kawuono